Welcome to AutoCAD Professional Training Collection. This does include 265 training sessions. 3D screen is activated using View Keep Tools. From the 3D Tools menu, select Parameter option. Determine diameter and height. Figure is drawn. We use Shade to create more effect. We use Orbit command to rotate shape in 3D dimensions. At the beginning of the work, we drew some shapes, like a circle and a rectangle. Select the Hatch command. Hatch command has different patterns. You choose one of them according to your needs. Select desired shapes to draw hatch. Using Hatch Pattern Scale, we change dimension of the pattern according to the scale of the map. Thanks for watching.